I've been really into bananas lately. And I've been really into making this banana Oleo-Saccharum. So like, did you know that if you took banana peels and you took superfine sugar and you mix them together, you can get yourself a nice little syrup that looks like that and tastes of freaking bananas. The only thing that I don't know about this particular thing here, is how many bricks is this? Like, is it like the same as simple syrup? Or is it less? And what I like about using the castor sugar is that the castor sugar will fully dissolve. So if you use baking sugar, which is super fine, it will fully dissolve as opposed to using regular granulated sugar, which will then clump up on the sides and then you'll have to like mix it around. It's a real pain in the ass, but it makes this really nice syrup. I'm gonna actually pull out the refractometer, dude. I wanna know how sweet this is. I wanna know like, is this gonna be able to carry the weight of a cocktail on its own or does it need a little more sugar, a little more help? Where is, I don't know, like ever where I put.
Just use a spoon.
I know, I'm looking for my demi-tasse now because I had that out a second ago. You know, just fucking whatever, I'll just, one of these damn spoons. Oh, the perfect spoon for it, the tasting spoon. Yeah. I mean, it's pretty, you know, it's 40 bricks, dude. So it's just a little shy of simple syrup. The question is, do I want to make this 50 bricks? Do I want to put another tablespoon of sugar in here and make it 50 bricks? Or should I just
Is that noticeable?
use it as is? You know, I think I'm going to use it as is and see what happens. What?
Is that, do you think you can taste the difference between 50 and
40 and 50? I don't know, but we're going to find out. We're going to use this as is and we are going to try and see whether or not we can, like, is this going to properly balance the cocktail? I have no idea, but I'd like to get as much,
if anything, you just do a fat, whatever you're doing.
Yeah, you could do a fat ounce, that's true. Or like a fat half ounce or whatever I'm putting in here.
Nasty.
Anyway, I wanted to, like not only have I been really into bananas, I thought to myself, like do like a banana matcha combo with rum sour. So like a banana matcha rum combo sour, which does mean that I will have to go quickly and get an egg. Gonna do that. Ooh, dang. Dang. Thank God it didn't break. Oh. It was quite the adventure.
I heard.
All right, got our egg. I almost killed myself doing it, but I got it. So that, we're gonna need our matcha right here, and we're gonna have to do a little, I brought this little bowl actually because we do have to sift the matcha through a fine strainer so that it doesn't clump up and get crazy. So I'm just gonna do, I was only gonna do like a little, you know, quarter teaspoon or something, but I'll just do about half a teaspoon's worth. There we go, it's our matcha. I like matcha. Do you drink matcha at all? Ever? You don't seem like a matcha drinker really, but.
No, I feel like it's such a hit and miss where you get it. Sometimes it tastes good and sometimes it gets like kind of a fishiness.
Yeah, I feel like that's like people who use really low grade matcha.
Yeah, so but it's like a toss up whether they have the
weird
good stuff
fishiness.
Or the bad stuff. So it's like, yeah. No.
Yeah. All right. I don't know if it's just because like matcha is green that I want to use lime. Originally, I was just going to do like a lemon sour, but I just feel like it's like rum and matcha and banana. It's just going to go, I mean, banana goes well with lemon, but I think it's going to go well with lime as well. So.
And it's unusual, so.
Huh?
And it's unusual. It's not the normal.
It's not the normal. It's not the, oh, he used lemon. Yeah, probably not. It's fine. All right, here we go. Ah! All right. Here we actually go. 3/4 of an ounce of our lime juice. I did forget something actually. I was doing this daisy style because I wanted to really play up the banana-ness of it. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna do a little splitzer. We're gonna get this lovely Tempus Fugit banane. We're gonna be using this Tempus Fugit banane. Oh my God, it smells like frickin' banana bread. And then we're just gonna do 1/2 ounce of our banana. So I feel like I think it's gonna be fine. The Oleo, we're the banana Oleo. We're gonna do a half an ounce of that as well. It's gonna help the banana even more. We're gonna do a 1/4 teaspoon of this matcha. I feel like this is gonna be a weird color because that's brown.
Yeah.
That's brown. This is clear. That's green. What is it gonna look like?
Yeah, it's gonna be dark,
weird,
yeah.
but is it gonna be good is the question. Maybe we should call this video like Barfly R&D, making cocktails Leandro never tested, but seem good on paper. We can rename this the LA Water cocktail.
LA River water.
LA River Water, yeah. Or just call it the LA River.
I mean, that is turning nice though.
Huh?
The LA River is turning nice.
Well, it's not nice yet, not like 100% nice at the moment. So still, I feel like this is gonna be a really weird cocktail right here. I feel like the color is not gonna be very inspiring at all. It's gonna have like white foam and it's gonna be like black. Well, hey, it's almost Halloween, so. We'll see. All right, guys. Even though I did a tutorial on this recently, just remember, use a big block of ice and use a little cheater cube. So you get the right texture and the right dilution in your sour cocktails. Since those came straight out of the freezer, we're gonna let it sit for a second and just let it crack and reform so that we're not shaking with basically crushed ice because we don't want that. Too much water is gonna kill our foam, so. Now, one of them kind of broke up a little. It'll be all right though. Try and shake until we can hear that little one gone. All right.
Why'd you smell it?
I don't know. Just trying to get a sense of it.
I did get a whiff of something weird. Banana. Yeah, there's a whiff of banana that came. Like a weird
A whiff
banana.
of vanilla?
No, banana. Weird banana.
Weird banana. This might be called the weird banana cocktail. We don't know.
Well, it's greener than I thought. I guess that matcha really colored it.
Let's take a sip of it now before we have to quaff it.
Green banana.
It's quite good though. You know, I picked the Paranubis, which is a Oaxacan, it's basically Oaxacan rum. They call it aguardiente de caña. It's just like cane spirit. It is basically rum. It is made with fresh sugarcane juice, so it's a lot like a rum agricole. So it's got all of those funky rum agricole notes. And then you get a little bit of the matcha, you get like some of the greenness of the matcha, the lime is really prevalent. I actually do think that it's a little more tart. If this was 50 bricks, it would be like perfect. I think that this should have gone up to 50 bricks, but the banana flavor is like, oh, with the lime and the rum, it's pretty good. So I'm gonna stand by this cocktail, I really like it. The banana matcha sour.
The green banana?
The green banana, I like that, the green banana. Here we go, the green banana, I like it. I'm gonna just like pour this in the side, raise the volume up a little bit. So there it is, the green banana.